Hey everyone, welcome to my channel WinLab where we simplify Windows Server and IT lab setup step by step. In today's videos we are going to start with the basics where we will download and install the VirtualBox. We'll set up your first virtual machine and then we will go ahead and install any operating system or Windows Server. If you are an IT student, system admin or just curious about virtualization, you are in the right place. So let's get started. Hello everyone, so let's first download the VirtualBox. To download the VirtualBox, we have to go on the website. That's the VirtualBox website. That's www.virtualbox.org. So in here we will click on download. So there are different platforms for which you can download, like if you want it for Windows or Mac, OS or Linux. So we are going to work on Windows, so you download it for Windows. That will be Windows host. Once the download is completed, it's going to show the more. So I'll just go ahead and fast forward this. Okay, so we can see the download has been completed. Now we can go ahead and just double tap on it. Or we'll just go ahead and click the right button. That will open. Once we click on open, the installation will start. When it's done, we'll find this application either on the dashboard or on the desktop. Okay, we'll just double tap and open it. Once you have opened it, you will get a first screen currently and between. Here we now let's go ahead and create our first virtual machine. So to do so, first we will go ahead and open the virtual box. I have already opened it. It's an Oracle virtual box. Once you have opened it, uh, click on new and then we'll go ahead and install the Windows 10. So I will go ahead and give the name to the operating system, that will be Windows 10. I will go ahead and download the ISO file. So I have already downloaded it for you. I will go ahead and mention the link in the description once you have downloaded the ISO file. Let me just show you how you can do that. So you have to go on Google, search for download Windows 10 ISO. If you're a beginner, that will be really helpful. So click on download. Okay guys, so I found the link. This is the link. So from here you have to fill your information like your first name, your last name, your email, your company name and all the other details. So you will get a evaluation Windows 10 ISO file which will be a trial period that will work for I think 6 months. Okay, so once you go ahead and download it, you have to go here, click on new Windows 10. Then the folder will be the default folder for me. You can select as per your need. In the case of ISO file, you have to go ahead and click on here, click on other, and you can select your downloaded file from the place where it has been downloaded. Okay, click on the file, click on open, and it will be shown here. So we'll go ahead and select all the versions. It will be auto selected, so you don't have to worry about that. It's a Windows 10 64-bit. For this, we have to go ahead and remove the space. That's the Windows 10, so we'll remove the space. The password will try to as change me. Let it be a default password. In the place of hardware, that's an important place. So we will go ahead and select 2 GB for the Windows 10 to be used, or one CPU. In the place of hard disk, we'll give only 50 GB for now. And in hard disk type, we'll go with VDI. That's the VirtualBox disk image. Then click on next. Okay guys, so we can see we already have Windows 10 here. So we'll go ahead and start it. So once we start, it's gonna take some time. Okay, you just have to go ahead and set up. Once the setup is done, you will be guided on this screen where we have to log in. So currently, I need to create a password. Just go ahead and log in. So I have created this machine during the testing. So I have created different users with a different password. So that's everything I was wanted to go ahead enter the correct password because I don't remember it. So, okay, finally we are able to log in. So here we are able to create a virtual machine. That's it for the beginning tutorial. You have installed the VirtualBox and you have created your first virtual machine. You can go ahead and clap for yourself if you have followed the step throughout the time. In our next video, I will show you how to install Windows Server inside this virtual machine and start setting up Active Directory, DNS and more. So don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so you don't miss that. If you have any questions or want me to cover something specific, in drop it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lab. Thank you.